Creating a vibrant, blossoming garden doesn't have to demand endless hours of maintenance. Several flowering plants are not only beautiful, but also relatively easy to care for, making them ideal choices for both beginner gardeners and those seeking a low-maintenance garden. Here's a selection of such plants that offer delightful blooms without requiring excessive attention. 1. Marigolds, Tagates. Marigolds are known for their bright, cheerful flowers and are remarkably easy to grow. They thrive in various soil conditions and don't demand much watering. These hardy annuals are excellent choices for garden borders or containers, providing constant blooms throughout the growing season. 2. Daylilies, Hemercalis. Daylilies are tough perennials that come in a wide array of colors and shapes. They are incredibly adaptable and can flourish in different soil types and light conditions. These plants require minimal care once established and are known for their long blooming period. 3. Coreopsis tickseed. Coreopsis are sun-loving perennials that produce an abundance of small, daisy-like flowers. They're drought-tolerant and can withstand various soil conditions. Their bright yellow, red, or pink blooms attract pollinators and add a pop of color to your garden with minimal effort. 4. Black-eyed Susans, Rudbeckia. Black-eyed Susans are robust, native wildflowers that are incredibly low maintenance. They thrive in full sun to partial shade and exhibit golden yellow flowers with dark centers. These plants are drought-tolerant and attract butterflies, making them a beautiful, hassle-free addition to any garden. 5. Blanket flower, Gaillardia. Gaillardia, also known as blanket flower, is a hardy perennial that blooms profusely and requires minimal care. With striking red and yellow daisy-like flowers, they thrive in full sun and well-drained soil. These plants are highly drought-resistant and attract pollinators, making them a vibrant, easy care choice for your garden. 6. Salvia, sage. Salvia is a diverse group of plants that includes both annuals and perennials. They come in various colors and sizes, with long bloom periods. Salvias are generally low maintenance, requiring little water once established. They are also excellent for attracting pollinators like bees and butterflies. 7. Zinnias. Zinnias are colorful, annual flowers that are incredibly easy to grow. They come in a range of bright colors and shapes and are perfect for adding pops of color to your garden. Zinnias are heat and drought tolerant, making them a fuss-free addition to any garden. Tips for low-maintenance flowering plants. Choose native species. Native plants are often naturally suited to the local environment and require less maintenance. Group plants by watering needs. Arrange plants with similar water requirements together to simplify watering routines. Mulch and weed control. Apply mulch to reduce weed growth and retain moisture. Cutting down on maintenance tasks. Prune and deadhead. Regularly remove spent flowers to encourage new blooms and keep plants tidy. Low-maintenance flowering plants not only reduce the time and effort required for garden upkeep, but also provide a beautiful and colorful landscape. With these selections and some basic care, you can enjoy a blooming garden without the stress of high-maintenance gardening tasks.